Mavere from programtom.com/dev here, and in this episode I'm gonna complete the previous project with this point by using VueJS as a front end. That will get file upload, and it will return the requested employee ID, employee ID 2, project ID, and days worked. So far, I've committed the code that I did the last time, and I've introduced some small hello world with VueJS. This is the hello view. The changes in POM XML are DevTools, leaf, web starter web, and a simple web controller that just gets to model view. And the result of this is this. Let me just drag it fully. Simple hello view. And basically I'm gonna follow the quick start from here to get. So first I'm gonna read it from the other screen, so I could get here to the console. Basically I will not do the code here, but one folder up. So here I'm gonna execute npm create vue.js like this from the tutorial. Okay. No, where is employee? Yes. No. No. Add view router for single page application. No. Because I will have just one page that will have a file upload and the render of some data grid. Pinia for state management. No. So basically it seems all front ends now have state management solutions. Like Flutter has like between 5 and 10 popular state management solutions, and all of them seems to have been brought to all the JavaScript. Okay, so npm install npm run dev. Okay, so this is the localhost. And let me open it in code and folder. Just copy the here. Okay, src app view, you did it. Okay, there is official view extension. The welcome main, and why all this does not appear here. Okay, it's ready. And yeah, first let's look how VueJS does file upload. And I've chosen to use TypeScript, but I may have done wrong. So, templates with some change events, and let's see accept file. What's the accepted value for CSV file type? What is extremely common FAT file format? MIME type. This I'm searching is text CSV. So I want to upload text CSV file, and I need to comment the welcome, and we'll introduce here file. And I did it is having errors. Oh, okay, here it is, the file upload. And I need the OK of the project. Or not the project, but these CSV files. Yeah. Start. Okay. So here is file selection. Next, I need to have this. And file change that does not exist. I need to create one. Let's see how these texts are done. Creating a syntax, raw file. So basically, Vue uses an old idea of separation of UI and logic that I have seen in Google Web Toolkit long time ago. Registration components. Component. Yeah. Okay, again, I will use again, I will use ChatGPT to speed up the development of this front end to see how things are done. Basically, seems a view needs to wrapper file upload. This registration of component does not seem valid here. Yeah, let's install Axios, that is the HTTP library. Okay, so I'm gonna copy the code from the view. Yes, a lot of change, cloud click, and it will output some data in a table. Okay, value, so Axios. So the default data is empty. So on file change, this file is not valid. It makes a form data, add file, and here let's first integrate with the already existing endpoint that I have here, and I will change it according to the latest need. But first, yeah, let's have it working. Process data. I will basically let's just print the data. I'll adapt it the backend to return JavaScript, JSON, I mean. But yeah, let's get it working to output in the console the result. Okay, import CSV not found. Basically, it needs to be to point to another port. Let's see if this will be okay, as it is on the local host, or I will need cross access control request. Okay, I will need this added to the backend, or I could use this flag. I could start a new browser that has this flag enabled. Okay, my decision will be start H, and let's skip all this advertisement stuff. And have advertisement stuff, and I'll go to hfax. Here, protected content. Yeah. Okay. This is shared memory feature, not course. Search cross origin. No such thing. Yeah, the plugin I thought was working, but I I, I did a print here and not console work, and this is why it was not working properly. Here is the result. So I have done using ChatGPT, of course, great thanks to it. I've done a hello world file upload. Here is a template data that I will populate a little bit later from this endpoint. Basically, for now, I'm consoling the result, and I need to modify the backend to return JSON that will return these items. Basically, all this code should be part of the service. But let's have another method identical to this, but str. This will output the things as expected in the first part of the logic, but here I'll return this list of pairs, employee pairs. Import CSV, this is parse employees, JSON, and I'll rename this rank. And here I'll not do any mapping. Basically, after I restart this, I should be able to and the output of parse employee string could be removed of this and file date format, and this is actually the list, and this will be returned as this. So this is super minimal, only small amount of mapping will be placed here. 16, yeah. Let's check out the VueJS. Clear this, and okay, now I have the result as string, and let's assign it to the date. So let's give another here. Data format is not as expected, or no data was present. Okay, let's have data like this, and date, and see how I should display this state. I'll move the browser to the other screen, so I could expect the JSON. So I have an array of for index. Let's not have a header as they are hard coded. They are strict stuff here. So for each iterate for each data row and index. So for each item in the row, I will have a key with a row what an ugly syntax. Row dot employee 1, employee 2, and time works together. Let's see if this is will be going to be displayed. Okay, perfect. So what is left now is the fourth row of a project, or let's see how the backend will name this. Spare project ID. Data, let's What the heck? Return the turn. For once. Together. Okay, perfect. Let's have a be here, so it could be 2 bits, not here but here. There could be some space. There could be some space between the file upload and the table. And the UI looks like this. And all it's left is to change the backend to return also the project ID. And yeah, let's look where this is created. And service. There should be something in red here. So the first part, create an application that identifies the pair of employees who have worked together on common project. Basically, I'll need to split the common work in general, and should be also split by project and not only with so pair 1, pair 2. So these pairs are employee ID, employee ID2, and the amount of work. But I also need here project project ID, and this is getting ugly. So this is very ugly. But I need just the so let's rename this to project ID. So left, middle, right. This could be work together. Employees and project. This is super not meaningful and readable, but yeah. not, my university skills are not great, basically. So I will restart this and see. The reload of this happens. Okay, here it is, the grouping. And before I send the task, I could think of better organizing all of this. These integers basically are two not they are not semantic. They don't have semantics in them and could be improved. And basically the result will be visible when I publish the code, because I will publish it as a public repository and it will be visible to all what I have done.